Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LinkedIn to DocSend for document tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To connect LinkedIn to DocSend for document tracking, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Next, open a new tab and visit the DocSend website. If you don't have a DocSend account, click on the sign up button and create an account. Once logged into DocSend, navigate to the settings menu on the upper right corner. In Settings, look for the Integrations option and select it. Here, you will find the option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect button next to the LinkedIn integration. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to sign in to your LinkedIn account if you aren't already logged in. After signing in, grant DocSend the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn profile. Once permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to the DocSend integrations page. You should now see a confirmation that LinkedIn is successfully connected. Next, go back to your DocSend dashboard. Select a document you want to share and click on the Share button. In the sharing options, look for the LinkedIn Share option. Click on it to open the LinkedIn sharing interface. Customize your message or add a note to your LinkedIn post if desired. Select the audience for your LinkedIn post and then click Post. Your document is now shared on LinkedIn, and you can track its performance in DocSend. To view the tracking data, return to your DocSend dashboard. Select the shared document to access insights and analytics related to viewer engagement. You have now successfully connected LinkedIn to DocSend for document tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.